Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Holden Captiva 7 CX, stock reference number 5517. This shape runs from the first month 2011 through to the 10th month 2014. It has an LFW 3 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. LFW 3 litre V6 petrol engine. We have the left-hand fog light, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door has one small dent, pair of factory side steps with all bolts and brackets, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, park sensor type with a cutout for the tow bar, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets, right rear door has two small dents and a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth and leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control heater controls, factory single stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise, audio and phone buttons.